What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. We're back at it again. Today is another beach day. Here with my woes. These are my woes. Running through the 876 with my woes, not the 6, the 876. We're here getting some alcohol and shit.
Seriously?
And
Seriously? Yeah. Seriously?
285.
Hi.
285.
So,
The cup there.
285 for what? The ice?
Yes.
Where's the alcohol? Alcohol. So yeah, we're just getting some stuff.
Alright, here what? Buy one raisin bread and one cornbread. Come in and see no more. I'm gonna see
Buy
no
that.
more. I'm gonna split the cornbread. Here, Hannah.
So why you buy? Yeah, why you buy two?
No, I thought she gave me a price, right?
How much you want?
The thing said
How much you want?
$700.
For one?
Yes!
For one?
Yes!
How much for the gallon?
The gallon for grand and so
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy this.
Gas station price. Buy the white rum or buy 2 Q of vodka.
My what?
The liter, the small, no, just the small cube. Let me see. Buy the liter white rum or buy the small cube of vodka. Wanna talk to me? Talk to big
Give me one dragon. Buy one dragon seed.
Red Stripe? Beer. we not drink beer.
At the apple.
Can get a Q apple vodka and a Q that's not the name. White rum, please. Which is right. Which is right. White rum. Yeah, I'm white rum.
Yes, yes.
So we're going to the beach. So we're just getting some alcohol to get some chicken.
610 and 650.
Look at that.
Man. The money didn't pretty stuff.
But $500 in there now. I get so much money.
If you want.
They're trying to rob me, guys.
Matte,
Atas. What me do?
nothing darling. You know I love you company.
No, just one.
Don't.
One. Me I look something.
You know what
So we're going to KFC next. We're gonna get some chicken for lunch. And straight. Are there plugs on the beach?
No.
There are no plugs on the beach? We're gonna find a plug.
You can invest that.
Got some drinks. And we're now going to get some chicken for lunch. FC. I think, oh, there's a Pizza Hut. So maybe we can get some pizza.
No, your chest too high.
Pizza? Chicken?
Your chest too high.
Pizza. So let's get it. Well, we already got the chicken.
Well, it's almost $3 grand. So here what?
How much chicken for me, bro?
15.
That was a quick trip buying chicken. We're done. So you know I'm a big spender. So I bought the chicken, no time.
Which one you want,
And so we're gonna go back to the bus now and then continue our journey. Don't listen to them. This is my vlog. This is my vlog. So what I say is the truth. So
This is my vlog.
So we're gonna get back to the bus. Get to the sun.
Eminent and Tantrum. you not fi, you not fi, you not fi, you not fi.
Afraid for link me pon the ends.
You not fi, you not fi, you not fi, you not fi.
Afraid for link me pon the ends. You not fi, you not fi, you not fi, you not fi.
Afraid for link me pon the.
Don't afraid for link me pon the ends. And I'm afraid, girl, you can bring your friends. Oh, girl, Eminent there for your friends. I you my water, you my heart to recommend.
Don't afraid for link me pon the ends. You're not afraid, girl, you can bring your friends. Oh, girl, Tantrum there for your friend. Are you my want, are you my heart to recommend? Summertime chilling, everybody liquor spilling. Listen to the beat when me killing the girl. Them a swam MJ, so me feeling the vibes they we dealing. Tell me how you feeling.
Touchy one way in the black ties. So what about the coordinates with the ties? Turn around, make she looking at me eyes. She know what's happening tonight. Yeah, don't afraid for link me on the ends. And I'm afraid, girl, you can bring your friends. Oh, girl, Eminent there for your friends. Like you my want to, you my heart to recommend.
Don't afraid for link me on the ends. You're not afraid, girl, you can bring your friends. Oh, girl, Tantrum there for your friends. Are you my want, are you my heart to recommend?
Slow wine and move seductive. From the way you are wine, me know you love this. You grow good, but you love the roughness. So you not run when you get the love girl.
Yeah, turn
Get them like my appetite. We drink rum. And a picture I record, you know. I'm gonna get a picture. Guys, I'm telling her that my lighter is windproof. It's a Zippo lighter. It's windproof. It's not working right now, but it's windproof. Guys, just tell her from me, tell her it's windproof. So we got a KFC, guys. Before we consume alcohol, we have to consume food. So we got the chicken. And after we done eat the chicken, we're gonna drink some alcohol.
Me. Clean pair of sneaks with ADs down the belt. Please watch your step, cause I'm feeling myself. Throw a flag on the plate, man, somebody get the ref. Man, somebody get some help. Pull up on the block. Hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad. Set the game down low and swing.
Remember to like my channel, subscribe, leave a comment below. WannabeMatt here.
Them man I washed up, shizzle. It's no joke like riddle. She won't get high, MD, Dizzle. Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm 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 Tom Cruise. Ray-Ban. Catch me in the dance in my Ray-Ban. Man, I've been back from day one. Ray-Ban. Catch me in the dance in my Ray-Ban.
I'm here with my muggler friend, Justina. We're representing the 876. Yeah. Some birds and we're gonna try and catch them and see if we're successful. Ready?
Yeah. Cause even when you sleep, you see me in your dreams. You can call it a wet dream. I met you when you were so innocent, no game mature. I know it's all becoming intimate. You shower me with kisses and a lot of sweet compliments. But when you wanted, you approaching me with confidence. Cause I am the only man to grant you with such happiness. Make you feel good when we deal with your passionate. I mean, I aim to your heart like a flame to a spark. Not even Cupid or run us for accurate. Well, me know me slim bun, my ganja and ting. Them I ask what you doing with a nigga like him. She bust a smile and a pretty little grin. Then reply that her man is very talented. Me realize not to take it as surprise when we see the liquor empress right.
Day completed. Another beach day, just another day in the office. It's your boy WannabeMatt. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Subscribe if you like them. Don't know.
Invasion.
Which is right.
Most naturally. Eminent Bkool represent. Big up
Easily.
yourself, Matty. You don't know where I represent for the vlog.
Subscribe. Which is right.
Sub to describe.
Which is right. WannabeMatt.
Go right over to Eminent Bkool and subscribe. Check
Links
out
are in the description.
Thing for Imperial Tantrum, you see me? Just do it.
Which is right.
Bang, bang. If you don't do it, you're not no fucking sense.
Which is right. What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. How are y'all doing today? In my last vlog